Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code installed. Now open the folder where your site will live. Create a new file named index.html and save it in that folder so VS Code recognizes the workspace. Once done, install Live Server from the Extensions panel and enable it. This extension gives you a browser preview and live reload, which speeds up edits. Make sure the folder is the active workspace so Live Server serves the correct files and not a different project. You'll write a simple HTML scaffold, doc type, head, meta, title, and body elements to organize content. Link any CSS or JavaScript using relative paths so the server can find them. Saving files triggers reloads. Next, right-click index.html and choose Open with Live Server, or click the Go Live button in the status bar. You'll see a localhost URL with a port. Note it. This lets you view changes in a real browser environment and debug layout or script issues quickly. You should now edit index.html, save, and see the page refresh automatically. That immediate feedback closes the edit test loop. When layout or behavior is wrong, open Browser DevTools to inspect elements, view console errors, and monitor network requests so you understand why something failed. If Live Server doesn't launch, restart VS Code, confirm your default browser is installed, check firewall or proxy settings, and ensure the extension is enabled. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection and port issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.